Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change highlight color in a PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file and this is my text highlight color. Simply click on this highlight and select. And here you will find this highlight color option. Click here and you can change any color and click here this color. Again select more color and also click on this comment option and this right sidebar click this properties bar. Here also you will find this highlight color bar and this custom color option and select more color and this color define option and here select the color you want to apply and see this you can make this transparent. Also I'll change this highlight color and select and apply here this red color option and see this. In this way you can apply and change your highlight color and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.